When something happens, every second counts. But finding the right footage shouldn't mean scrubbing through hours of video. Introducing Symmetry CompleteView version 8 with enhanced search. Now you can find what you need in seconds, not hours, searching across your entire camera network using the details that actually matter. Looking for a person? Search by gender, clothing color, even a bag they were carrying. Looking for a vehicle? Filter by type and color across every location. Enhanced search reads metadata generated right at the camera's edge, so there is no extra servers and no heavy lift to your infrastructure. Track a person of interest across a multi-building campus. Narrow a distributed network down to the exact moment that matters. And when hardware needs to change, the new hardware replacement wizard swaps a recording server in minutes instead of hours, automatically restoring credentials, storage, and transport layer security settings with pre-flight validation at every step. On-site staff handle it independently, and every action is logged for compliance. It's on VIF Profile M compatible with most modern cameras. Symmetry CompleteView version 8. Investigate faster. Find what you need in seconds.